How to make a Libra man fall in love with a Taurus woman. A Libra man is charming, romantic, and drawn to balance. A Taurus woman is calm, loyal, and deeply affectionate. When these two meet, their connection can blossom into something beautiful, if nurtured the right way. Get a man hooked on you. Discover what men secretly want and become his secret obsession. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here are 7 simple yet effective tips on how to make a Libra man fall in love with a Taurus woman. 1. Stay graceful and calm. Libra men admire elegance. Keep your tone gentle and your actions composed. Your calm presence will attract him more than bold words ever could. 2. Appreciate beauty together. He loves art, design, and harmony. Talk about music, style, or beautiful places. Sharing aesthetic interests helps build a natural bond between you. 3. Be patient and understanding. A Libra man takes time to open up. Don't rush him. Let your patience show. He'll see you as someone who respects his rhythm. 4. Communicate softly and honestly. Libra values peace. Speak kindly, avoid arguments, and express your feelings clearly. Honest yet gentle communication will earn his trust. 5. Show your loyal nature. Taurus women are naturally dependable. Show him he can rely on you through your actions. Consistency builds the emotional security he secretly craves. 6. Enjoy romantic moments. Plan cozy dinners, walks, or stargazing nights. He loves romance that feels effortless and genuine. Create memories that touch his heart. 7. Give him space to breathe. Libra men enjoy socializing and balance in love. Trust him and give him room to be himself. Your confidence will make him admire you even more. When a Taurus woman blends her stability with a Libra man's charm, love grows beautifully. Focus on patience, harmony, and trust, and he'll see you as the perfect match for his heart. Do you want to get him chasing you like crazy? Discover what men secretly want and make him want you forever. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video.